something. Okay, sit down, please. Whoever of you pulled someone's hair? Okay.
In wrestling.
You did?
In wrestling.
Pull my hair. Pull it. Pull my hair. This is how you pull hair?
Being very nice.
No, be mean. Pull my hair. Can I? How does this feel? Okay? Pull my hair. Okay? How does this feel? Okay, so what you do, guys? It's again in the Wing Chun system. You are grabbing, I do this here. You're grabbing on the surface and you try to hold something. Okay? What I do, I roll my fist, yes, you see? I roll my fist in. Whatever I grab, you see, whatever I grab. I can even be here. I don't do this. I go, you see that? Wherever, look, this is, you see? So when I pull here, I don't do, when I pull here, I go, yes, yes, it feels different, right? So if I'm able to do this, the next thing he's gonna be like, okay, so where do we have this? Look patiently and look carefully. What is wrong when people do Huen Sau? They just lift here and they pull their hand back and they want to just finish the movement. Because it's annoying, it's stressful, it's hurtful, right? What we do, pay attention. When I lift my hand, my wrist goes slightly to the front. And then I pull in. And when I make my fist, you see, I close my fist tightly. So whenever I do a grabbing movement, I don't do this. I do this. I do this. And this is what you felt even on your back, right? Okay? So whenever I hold, I pull, so I try to squeeze someone, okay? It goes into his body. Or as my father said, whatever you grab, water or blood has to come out of it. That's the attitude. Okay? So you see when I pull here, look, you all pulled here and you did this. You see? When I pull here, you see, you see the difference? Okay? Even with this short hair, look, everyone does this. Even with the short hair, you see that? You feel the difference? Okay? I always go in. So when you have somebody down here, he's maybe here, you can pull his head down, you see? Whatever you want to do, you can control him here. And it's one of the most stressful things to pull someone's hair. Yes. You see, he's so beaten. He's like, okay. Okay. Monica, closer, please. I like tails. But people would like pull this way. You see, she can easily follow. I would never pull like this. If I pull it, you see, it's an immediate impact how the body moves, twists, and follows. Whenever I just pull and it's just the head, it's not a good pull. Okay, just imagine this on your beard.
I've also felt that.
Okay, okay, I do it slowly. Look, when I grab the beard like this, it's hurting, right? But when yes, you see?
Yeah.
Immediate impact, how his whole body moves. It doesn't matter where I grab. Okay, we can just hold on to each other. I can be like, you see? And it's just his skin, but I go in. Yes. Okay, this is what we have to practice this year to strengthen our forearms. Okay, to have a good grip. Got that?
Yes, sir.
So go on with the practice. When you have someone, when you have the opportunity, when you maybe go in here and you go down and you have his hair, you can twist a little bit and be like, okay, you can do this, okay? You see, even if I grab here, yeah, because it's not just a grab, it's a smack grab. Okay? Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Go guys, have fun.
Thank you, Sifu.
Let's go. Okay?